Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, a comprehensive guide. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that allows individuals and businesses to earn commissions by promoting products or services of other companies. It's a lucrative business model that can be pursued with little to no initial investment, making it accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort. Chapter 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. 1.1 What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a partnership between an affiliate you and a merchant, the product or service provider. You promote the merchant's products or services through various marketing channels, and when someone makes a purchase or takes a desired action through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. 1.2 How does affiliate marketing work? The process of affiliate marketing typically involves the following steps. Joining an affiliate program. You start by signing up for an affiliate program offered by a merchant or through an affiliate network. Choosing a niche. Select a niche or industry that aligns with your interests or expertise. Selecting products or services within your chosen niche. Identify products or services to promote as an affiliate. Generating affiliate links. Once approved as an affiliate, you receive unique affiliate links that track your referrals. Promotion. Use various marketing methods to promote the affiliate products or services, such as blogging, social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. Tracking and analytics. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links and campaigns to optimize your efforts. Earning commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase or completes a specified action, you earn a commission. Chapter 2. Getting started in affiliate marketing. 2.1 Finding affiliate programs. To get started, you need to find affiliate programs that align with your niche. Here are some ways to discover affiliate programs. Search engines. Use search engines to find affiliate programs by typing your niche plus affiliate programs. Affiliate networks. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate to access a wide range of affiliate programs. Product websites. Visit the websites of products or services you wish to promote. Many have their affiliate programs. Two point two Building a website or blog. While it's possible to do affiliate marketing without a website, having one provides a central platform for your promotions. You can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to create a blog or website related to your niche. Two point three Content creation. Creating high-quality content is crucial for attracting an audience and promoting affiliate products effectively. Types of content you can create include blog posts, write informative articles, reviews, or guides related to your niche. Videos. Create YouTube videos or tutorials showcasing the products or services. Social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to share affiliate promotions.